Hello friends. So friends, in the today's video, we will see how we can create a sheet wherein we can give interactive options to user, and once he select any of the options, the desired data will be highlighted. If you see that I have already created this sheet, and in this sheet I have employee name, then I have training hours week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then I have sum given for all those 4 weeks. Now at the end of the column I have given the status. It's like good, not eligible, somewhere it's showing as outstanding. So it's based on the sum of the training hours that he has achieved. Now I have also given these options for users wherein once he click any of these, let us suppose if we click on outstanding, then the outstanding data will get highlighted. If I click on not eligible, then the not eligible data will get highlighted. And similarly, if I click on good, so it will show me all the data with having status as good. I can even click all of these in one go also. So how I have created this? Let us start all from the beginning. So this is the data that I have, and there is no condition formatting as of now. This is a simple raw data. And now first of all, we have to insert checkbox from the form controls part. For that, we have to click on this developer tab. If this developer tab is not visible to you, just click on file and then options. Once you click on options, a window will appear, and now you have to click on customize ribbon and make sure that this developer tab is checked. If it is not checked, just make sure it is checked and okay. Now once your developer tab is visible, now click on insert, and this option is called checkbox of form control. Now I'll select this one, checkbox, and drag like this. Now as if now the number for this checkbox is checkbox 4. So what I am going to do is I am going to rename this, and I'll name this as, let's suppose, outstanding. So this is outstanding checkbox, and also I can right click over here, format control, and for color and lines I will select the color as this one, a gray part, and then click on this control tab, and let us link this cell within this sheet. So I'll select this and click the I1 and OK. Now if you see, if I check this form control part like this, it will show me the true value over here because I have linked I1 cell to this particular checkbox. Similarly, I can create 2 or 3 checkboxes. So I'm just going to copy and paste. So I'll name this as good. Make sure to write it properly because sometimes it won't let you write, so you have to. So just going to write good like this, and this time I'm going to link the cell to J1, this one. Okay, copy and paste because I have 3 kind of status here, so it's good to insert 3 types of checkboxes. Just rename this to not eligible, not eligible. Now again the same process, we have to link this cell. This time I'm going to link this cell to K1 and OK. Now I have linked all these checkboxes. If I am clicking any of these checkboxes, it is going to show me the true value for its corresponding linked cell. So now we are good with the form control part. Now we have to highlight the cells, and for that I'm going to use the condition formatting cells. So guys, I am assuming that you are a basic understanding of condition formatting. Condition formatting basically works on the logical part. So if formula that I will write in condition formatting, then if the formula is true, then it will highlight the cell, and if the formula is false, then it will not highlight the cell. For example, let us see, I just select this cell, condition formatting and new rule, and here what I will write, I'll write is equal to this is equal to good, like this. Okay, if it's good, I want to highlight the cell and with this yellow color, and the font to be black, and okay. Okay, and as if now the rule has been applied to the first row only. So what I would do, condition formatting, manage rule, we can see here that this rule is applied to A2 to G2. So I have to apply to my all data, like this. Apply and okay. And now all the status having good has been highlighted with yellow. But there is one thing, it has not been linked with this checkbox of good. So what I have to do is, I have to make sure if I have clicked this part, or if this J1 which is linked to this good form control, if this is true and this is good, only then it will highlight with the yellow color. And for that I am going to use and condition in the condition formatting part. How we can do this, let's see once again. So condition formatting, manage rule, this is the rule that I have already applied. So as if now it is showing me G2 is equal to good, but here I am using and also, because I want two condition to be met. First condition would be this, G2 is equal to good, and second condition would be J1 is equal to true. Make sure that if we are writing true or false, it should not be in the double quotes, because this is a logical answer. Bracket close, and it should be applied to the whole cell. Apply and okay. Okay, let's see now. I'll just uncheck all this. Now if I check this part good, it is highlighting me. So I will repeat this option to my both of these checkboxes, for outstanding and for not eligible. Let's do it. Condition formatting, manage rule and new rule. New rule will be like is equal to, and this, or I'll select this one first. If this, make sure that we have fixed the column part only, not the row, is equal to outstanding, and the second one is if this is equal to true, and the format part is now I want to highlight it with this green color, and the font should be black. Okay, so it should be applies to till G30. Again, new rule is equal to, and this is equal to not eligible, and the second one is like this is equal to true. Okay, and I want to highlight it with this, I mean this kind of red color, and font should be black. Okay, and applies to all the way to my data, like this. Apply and okay. Now we are all good. See, all the checkboxes have been linked with the corresponding status. Now what else I can do is, I don't want to show this true or false value over here, so I will change the color to white so that it won't be visible. And also what I can do, I'll select my entire data and I'll change the color of the font to light gray color, because I don't want to show the data which is not checked. Now if I am selecting any of the data, it is highlighting for that data only, good or not eligible. So guys, you can use this trick within your data. There might be a situation where you have a profit or loss shown over there, or you have kind of like qualify or disqualify status there, so you can select it in your work file, and I'm sure that will be really helpful for you guys. So guys, there are many more things that I'm going to explore in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe.